Decided to do this one a little differently today, at least the layout. We have a past, present, and future layout, but I like the visual appeal on this particular spread. We'll focus first on the Three of Swords. Not a card that most people really want to get, because it really doesn't look that happy. Three swords poking out of a sore heart. But this lies in the past. Although, in the context of this reading, it can still seem predominant on our minds, as the swords allude to, the intellect. And it can make things difficult in terms of relationships, which the cups signify, and the material or environmental factors in life. These figures don't appear in motion. They sit comfortably, uncertain whether to move forward or to remain in their perhaps less than ideal circumstances, but at least familiar. They've been hurt before. They know how to deal with that hurt, but moving forward might just seem a little too fearful. So what to do? I've never found stagnation the best answer. Remaining seated or reclined in hopes that nothing else will come along to add to the pain doesn't really constitute success or fulfillment. In the future lies the potential for great change. Change often does not come comfortably or easily. It can involve failure, or what I like to think of as successful learning opportunities. It can and will involve challenge and discomfort. But you've already had that, and you've been able to survive into the present, where you find yourself capable of, and perhaps even ready for, critical change, which may seem chaotic at first, but a growth opportunity nonetheless, and one that I would suggest taking advantage of. Take hold of it, ride it, guide it, utilize it for your benefit, so that sometime in the future, these cards may represent not only a comfortable position, but a more prosperous one from which you can help others. Seize the opportunity to move forward, leaving the things past behind and putting the experience that led to your change in a more predominant, focused point in your life.